Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. So today's video is both an unboxing video for this new arriving UMIDIGI Z2 Pro and also a giveaway video. Read the description carefully about the participating rules and the date. Two winners will be chosen randomly to get a UMIDIGI Z2 Pro. Now let's get this video started. A quick unboxing for this chromatic edition Z2 Pro. Okay, there we go. It comes with a free wireless charger here from UMIDIGI, the phone itself here, right beneath it, and the phone itself here. It's unlocked already with a protector, which is already attached to the phone, like this. It got this leatherish texture, but it's actually plastic. Okay, let me put it on the side. A USB cable for both the phone itself and also the wireless charger. A earphone adapter. And the socket. So that's it. Let me put these to the side so we can get into our UMIDIGI Z2 Pro. So for the phone itself, 6 gigs of RAM plus 120 gigs of storage that can be expanded to 256 gigs extra. Very huge storage options available. 4 cameras, 2 at the back right here, and 2 at the front right here, both at 16 plus 8 megapixel. Android 8.1 stock version, Helio P60 octa-core clock-in and 2.0 GHz, 3.2-inch bezel-less screen, with a notch, of course, because, that's the trend. So pretty much it for the specs, except for the battery capacity, which I'm not a huge fan of. It's at 3550 milliamps of battery. Mid-range level of battery capacity, but for me it's not quite enough given how powerful its processor is. But on the bright side, Z2 Pro here supports fast charging, which is kind of like a demand for the battery capacity. So that's it for today's giveaway/unboxing video. Like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.